Hi, today I'm making this video to make this pair of earrings, Diamante Pastel. These earrings have quite different beads. We want to use Miyuki 8/0, 11/0, 15/0 pearls. In this case, I'm using ceramic pearls. This is size 6. Zoliduos Rivoli size 12. And this Minos Par Puca, the size is 2.5. Those are really small, as you can see. We are going to start with 8/0 Miyuki. As you know already, we are gonna make a couple knots. And we are going to put the needle again through all these 8/0. We want to make it tight. And here I like to go 1 or 2 more ahead and make a little knot in here. After this, we are going to use Miyuki 11/0 to start building the cage, the little cage for our Rivoli. Now here, the back side looks like this. We are gonna get 7/11/0, and we are gonna skip one bead, one of the beads, and go through the other one. Just like this. Here again, we get 7/11/0, we skip one, and we go to the one after. We will keep doing this until we will complete the row. We have hit the last 7/11/0. We put it through the last 8/0. Getting a little tingle in here. Right here. Then we go up 4 beads right here. Right there. After this, we will use 5/11/0, and we are gonna get the needle right after the 3rd bead. Again here, we get 5/11/0, we count 1, 2, 3, and we get a needle through the number 4, and we will do that all the way around. we go through the 5, 11, 0, just 5, and here we are going to use 15, 0. We get just 2, and we go through the next 5, 11, 0, just like this. Just hold the Rivoli, please, so it doesn't fall. And we put it slowly to 15, 0, and again through the next 5, 11, 0. And we keep pulling. And we're gonna do this process all the way around. Here I have the last two 15, 0 that we are gonna put here. We pull, and it's gonna get this way, as we have it here. Now here I will have our thread at the end of the 5, 11, 0. Here we are going to make this little triangle that we see right here. We are going to use 1, 11, 0, 3, 15, 0, and another 11, 0. Just like this. And we are going to put the needle. We are going to skip this to 15, 0, and we are going to go through this 5, 11, 0. And then this is gonna look like a little triangle here. We do the same thing for the next 1, 11, 0, 3, 15, 0, and 1, 11, 0. And again through the next 5, 11, 0. And we keep doing this until we are done with the row. Now here I have the last 11, 0, 3, 15, 0, and 1, 11, 0 that is gonna go through this 5, 11, 0, just like this. We accommodate the beads so they look like a triangle. Now right here we are going to put the needle right inside this 11, 0 that is behind this little triangle here. Sorry, got stuck with my pliers. Now, this is how it's supposed to look. And here we are going to use the ceramic pearls. We start working. Now, one ceramic pearl, one pearl, 1, 11, 0, and another pearl, just like this. And that we are going to put the needle through the 11, 0 behind this little triangle that we are going to call. Just like this. It's gonna look just like this. We keep going, one purl, 111.0, and another purl, and it's gonna go again behind this triangle, and we're gonna keep doing this all the way around. Now this is the last set of pearls. Again, we go through the 11.0 behind the triangle, just like this. We pull a little, we go again through the pearl, the 11.0, and the other pearl. Now here we are going to start using the Zoliduos. This kind of bead, it has one right and one left. We are going to use this in front of each other, just like this. So we're going to use the right and the left, just like this. And we will put that through the next pearl, through the 11.0 and through the other pearl. Just like this. We're going to keep doing that all the way around. Here I have the last set of Zoliduos. We will put it again through the pearl, the 11.0, and we get the needle out of that other pearl, just like this. We accommodate, put it in the right place, all these bits, just like this. Pull the thread. Now don't forget here the thread is right up the pearl. Here we are gonna get 111.0 and we are gonna put it through the 15.0 right on the top of this little triangle. 111.0. Pull. We get another 11.0 and we put the needle through the pearl, the 11.0, and again we are gonna be out of the other pearl next to it, and we're gonna keep adding here 111.0 through the 15.0 and through the pearls. We'll do the same process all the way around. Now here I have the last 11.0 that is gonna go through the pearl, and we are gonna be out of the 11.0 here. Get through the pearl and through the 11.0, right, just like this. Now we pull, so it looks everything tight, just like this. Now we are gonna go and do this little arch right here. We get 411.0, And this Zoliduos bead has two holes, one that we use here and one right on the top. So that is where we're going to put our needle, on the top hole. Just like this. We use our Par Puca here. It has one hole in the middle. We put it the next hole, the next Zoliduos. Again, 4-11-0, that is gonna go through the 11-0 that is in between these two pearls. Just like this. Pull up a little bit. 4-11-0s through the Zoliduos. We use our Par Puca here and put in between. And we keep doing this same process all the way around. Here I have my last 4-11-0 that is gonna go through this 11-0 in the middle of the pearls. I'm gonna put my needle up this through all these 4-11-0s, through the Zoliduos and through the puca. Now here I'm gonna make my loop for the earring wire using 6-11-0. Going back. And up through the 6 Miyuki 11-0 that we just add. After this, we'll just find a place to make the knots and cut the thread. I'm gonna make a couple knots right before the next Zoliduos, so the little knot can be hidden inside the hole. Right here. Just like this. Ready to cut and to place the wire. Right here, and we're all done. I hope you like this design and my video. Please don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to my channel, and we are gonna see you next time. Bye.